Welcome to Simple Life, my fireplace. It's Christmas time again. People are enjoying their Christmas carols. Welcome to Jamaica, the hillbilly lifestyle. Burning sugar cane, the stalk of the sugar cane. Culture Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. As the sugar cane, I also do reels on Facebook, Willie Wilson. That's the sugar cane. The simple lifestyle. I'm sending love, pure love and positive vibration and positive energy. Please send a shout out to some friends today, right? And tell them that you love and care for them. I'm just preaching about love and unity to everyone across the world. We should come together as one family and unite and do all the good we can during our lifetime upon earth. Welcome to my simple lifestyle. Just humble thyself, Talking about pure love, my fans. Please give this video a thumbs up and you can leave a comment. And you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check me out on Facebook. Thanks everyone for watching this simple video here. It's not about the hype. Big up Americans, Jamaican, Asian people, European, Canadian, wherever you are watching from, Australia, Africa, you name it. One love from Culture Country Lifestyle.